Alright guys, I'm going to install one of these T-latches on the road case. Just want to show you how to do it so I don't have to do all of them myself. Alright, well I already spaced it out so that the little T-latch is about one horizontal side from the sides, but the same as Luke's. And I drew some little guidelines here to show me where to line it up. Alright, so what I'm doing, because we already painted it, if we didn't paint it I would just trace this with a marker or a pen or pencil. But since it's already painted, I'm just going to lay this thing on about so that this round part is just in the middle right there. And I'm going to just make some pilot holes that are just dead smack in the middle. Okay, next step is to make our pilot holes big enough so that we can put T-nuts on the inside. So, using a bigger drill bit. Alright, so the next step is to take one of these T-nut guys right here, and we're actually going to hammer them into the bigger holes in the case. I've already done one right here. Okay, to attach the T-hinge on the outside of the case, we just lay it over our drilled out holes, and we're going to take these bolts and throw a lock washer on the end of it and just kind of stick them in, screw them down into place. Just kind of get them started. Alright, so from here we're going to use our little crank tool. Alright, and then that'll crank that down all the way. Okay, and the same thing goes for the inside of the lid. Using one of these T-nut guys, you just kind of press them into the holes you've already, drilled out, and then knock them in just like that. There's 4 holes on the top lid. Alright guys, and the last step is to attach the top lid to your T-hinge, or whatever you want to call it. Again, we already did the T-nuts on the inside, so this part just flips up, and that should line up nicely with your holes. From there, you just take a bolt with a lock washer, and pop them in the holes. And then from here out, I'm just going to adjust it with my, or tighten them up with my tool. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's our finished T-hinge. And I only did one of them, but as you can see, it enables the case to open and close nicely.